Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and you just got a brand new phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android, and you all are excited setting up everything, contact, photos, apps, everything transfers smoothly. But then comes the nightmare. Your WhatsApp chats are missing. Whether you are switching from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android or even between the same OS, WhatsApp data does not follow easily. And that's exactly where today's tool come in, What's Go by i2 Lab. It's totally game changer, so without any further delay, let's start this video. Alright, so I got my Samsung Android phone right here, and it has all my WhatsApp chats, media and conversation. And on other side, I have my iPhone completely clean, no WhatsApp data at all. Now we are going to transfer everything from Android to iPhone, and we will use the tool called What's Go by i2 Lab. Firstly, you will need to download it and install it on your PC. For that, go to the direct link given in the description and in the pinned comment and select the device on which you want to install. You will get options for both Windows and Mac. I am using Mac right now, so I will just download the software for Mac. But as I already downloaded it, so let's install it and set up it. So after installing it, you will need to register here with your email ID and registration code. I will tell you how you can get registration code by the end of this video. For now, let's focus on the process, how to transfer the data of WhatsApp from iOS to Android or Android to iOS. So after installing What's Go and registering on it, you will get interface like this, where you can transfer data between Android to iOS of your WhatsApp, whether that WhatsApp is normal, business WhatsApp or GB WhatsApp as well. So for now, as we are going to transfer data from our Android to iOS in the normal WhatsApp, so I will just select WhatsApp and click on transfer data. After that, we will need to connect our both devices via USB cable to our computer. Once they are connected successfully, the What's Go will detect both devices automatically. Now it's time to choose the source and destination devices. So in my case, the source device is Android, from where we are transferring the WhatsApp data, and the destination device is iOS, where we are transferring the data. You can just select the options given above the connected device, as you can see here. So once you are done with this step, simply click on transfer and let the tool to do its magic. But after clicking on transfer, it may ask you to turn on developer mode on your Android device and turning off the Find My on your iOS device. It will show the whole process on your screen, so just follow that, and if you are facing any issues, then let me know in comments, I will help you with that. After that, it will ask you to take a local backup of your WhatsApp with encryption 64-bit key. So in my case, I already did that, so I will just click on enabled. After that, it will start transferring the WhatsApp data from source device to destination device. Here it will take some time, but it will faster than the cloud backup and regular backup. Then somewhere in between, it will ask you to enter the 64-bit key. You must have saved that key during the local backup, because without that you cannot proceed after this step. It is required for the security purpose, as in my case, my 64-bit key is in gallery as a screenshot. So I will just enter that key here and click on verify. But before clicking on verify, you must delete the WhatsApp from the destination device first. Then after clicking on verify, you will need to download that again. So after downloading the WhatsApp, log in there and then click on logged in here in the app. After that, your destination device will restart if that is iOS, but don't worry, it's safe, your data will be safe. But make sure to follow my all the steps carefully for the smoother process. So once your iOS device is restarted, open the WhatsApp again, then it will ask you to restore the iCloud backup. You can skip that, and then you will see your all the chats will be restored successfully from Android to iOS without any issues. You can use the same process to transfer data from iOS to Android as well, and between same OS as well. As you can see here, the chats are restored from the last year as well, and the chats which were deleted from the source devices, those are also restored here. And just like that, we have transferred everything from WhatsApp backup from Android to iOS. No iCloud complications, no Google Drive syncing, just one simple process and does it all for you. So if you are switching phones and don't want to lose your WhatsApp data, What's Go by i2 Lab is the smoothest ways to do it. The link is given right below in the description. Go check it out. And yeah, it's on sale right now, so grab the deal while it lasts. And if you use link given in my description and in the pinned comment, you may get some extra discounts. But don't forget to use code TRANS40 to avail the maximum discount possible, and that is 40%. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new to channel, then subscribe it for more awesome contents. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.